Why does your scanner show the P0C00 engine code? What does it mean? P0C00 is a diagnostic trouble code for drive motor A current low. This error code indicates to hybrid and electric vehicles and occurs when the high-voltage hybrid powertrain control system detects that the electrical current flowing through the drive motor control module is lower than it should be. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty drive motor controller, wiring issues, poor connections, drive motor failure, insufficient power supply. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Toyota, Chevrolet, Nissan, Hyundai, Honda, Volkswagen, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.